Yo, what is up, everybody? I'm on the 11 to 20 wide angle lens, my Tokina 11 to 20 ATX I think that's what it's called. Finally fired in the mail today, and we are rocking it right now. So the f-stop on this one goes all the way down to 2.8. My 50mm Canon goes to 1.8. So not too bad. This isn't really too bad for a affordable wide angle lens. It's heavy as hell. Your arm's gonna hurt if you had to vlog like this all day, but the autofocus may be a little noisy. You guys probably hear it right now, but all in all, bro, it was a solid investment. It was $480 for this lens, and shout out to my boy Christian for picking up my old Canon 10 to 18. So that helped offset cost a little bit, but I still gotta pay like $300 and something out of pocket. But it's okay. You gotta invest in yourself all 2022, man. For the people that do watch the videos and stuff, I hope you guys can learn something through me. And full send on your craft and your passions and things of that nature, because that's what's gonna make you a happier, better person. That's gonna make your mental state happier. You don't wanna be a miserable who just, you know, don't ever wanna apply themselves. Apply yourselves, bro. Shit might happen for you that you didn't think was possible. But if you envision it, it can be possible. You know what I mean? I ain't trying to get philosophical on y'all. Oh, my mouth hurt. Ooh. But today's video, we are going to be putting a base map on the 8th gen and go to my mom's house, install a camera. I gotta figure out what else I'm gonna do, but I got some stuff planned for today's video. So, you know, roll that intro and ride along for the rest of the can sit at this table with no sunlight and it looks good on camera. What a beautiful thing this is. This is a beautiful thing. And we still have no couch. So look how beautiful my girl looks. Oh, she's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. Baby girl bought me some headlights the other night. Well, last night for Akira. So shout out to baby girl for that. You know what I mean? But she just looks so good. She looks so good. I'm gonna have some fresh headlights. I gotta get this bumper repainted because I don't like that black chip right there. But she just looks so good. She looks so good. All right, so right now I'm about to load up this map that I received from the Goat Hobby. 1000cc injectors. Everything else is stock. Let's just see what it do. It's kind of hot in here. All right, let's see what we gotta do up in here. So the giveaway winner took the PS5 instead of the cash, so today we're gonna go ship this thing out to him. Got a couple errands to run today, and that's what we gonza do, baby. Let's go in here. Look at this. Watch how good this lens works. Watch how good this lens works, baby. Y'all see how dark? There's no light in this room whatsoever. Maybe a little bit, but that's how dark it is. And then you walk in there, John. Ta-da! Lighting is a beast. All right, I haven't even started this. Huh? I haven't even started the car when I loaded the base map to tell Javi if it worked or not, so it should.
These need to burn like Christine.
Oops.
Ow.
These are what?
These are burn like Christine on my butt.
Well, she starts. Loud as hell, but she starts. Alright, just now leaving FedEx. Now we're on the, oh shit. My bad about the parking. If you're ever thinking about shipping a PS5, it's gonna cost you $70 to Maryland from Florida. So be wary of that. But Rich, your PS5 is on the way. Thank you for entering the Zosh MFG sweepstakes. Thank you for always supporting too. He bought merch. He already entered like my previous raffles as well. So shout out to you, dog. I appreciate you. Now we're on the way. I want Subway, but there's no local Subway. So I guess I'll stop by my mom's house and put her ring thing, doorbell thing up on her thing so she can see who comes to the house in case anything happens. You know, she got video coverage. So that's what's going on right now. I guess it does it whenever it wants to. Pop, pop, pop tune.
Ow.
Sorry. But yeah, this bass mount feels good. It feels like a solid, like it's ready to tune. I'm gonna throw in the maybe the Hybrid Racing 335 LPH fuel pump, because I don't need nothing crazy for this car. I don't need like a 450 or 535 or 525. I think the 335 LPH would be perfect. But bro, this thing sounds like it's ready to boogie. It definitely got more oomph in it. I don't know. The car just feels different. Like it feels woken up. I guess I don't know through the tune whether Javi did something, but it's just a bass map. It's a 1000cc bass map that he sent me, and it's sounding perfect. I'm gonna try to get some fuel. I'm gonna try to get some clips of me doing some pulls here and there for y'all for this video, so I can title this video the Civic Rips. We're on the way right now to Subway, get a sub, and then we're gonna shoot down the Stewart. And yeah, I'll probably do some rips on. Oh, we'll get there fast if I take Green River. So yeah, we're gonna do some rips. Some rips, dude. She's gonna go ripping, bro. Oh my god, it hurts when I talk too much. There's Satan. She sounds so good. You wanna drive Akira? Oh, I might gotta go down south one of these days. Pick up some stock seats so you can be able to drive this damn car. Stock driver seat. He wants 200 for him. I offer him 150. I got 150, bruh. Car feels good. Feels really good. Right there. Yeah, let me relax on this road. This road is ridiculous.
Gotta feed the baby.
Get y'all a queen.
Bam.
I got mad white shit on my face, don't I?
Yeah, lick it. Lick it real good. Put it in your mouth.
My meat sub.
Eat it. Oh yeah. Tastes good, huh? In your mouth. Just melty.
This shit ain't fun. Supercharged Integra to an all-motor untuned K20Z3. Yikes. But it's my baby. And we got new headlights for it. I already told him, I said, you got me new headlights.
First purchase.
She won her first purchase. She bought me car parts. Yeah. Yeah. Ice cream dates. Hello. She's alright. She's alright. I got a back picture. I got a picture of the back. I'm about to get a picture of the front. Alright, so we're back home from our little adventurous day tonight. And I'm trying to close out today's video. So, oh, look at that autofocus. That thing is loud, huh? I know. Damn, baby, the fan really did break. This shit clap. Hey, I'm finna open up a P.O. box. Y'all down to send me some shit for the crib? Appreciate y'all. Thank you. Me and wifey appreciate it. Thank you. And man, look at this low light though, bruh. This shit fresh. But that is wraps for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bro, this Tokina 11 to 20 millimeter is the best thing ever, bro. Like the low lighting right now, there should be no grainy effect. If I get closer, I bet there's bokeh behind me. There's nothing behind me, right? It's blurred background. This shit is sweet. The autofocusing is really nice. But the only thing I don't like about the lens, or the only thing my only dislike is the loud autofocusing. But like, I don't care, bro. Like honestly, for the price point I paid for this, compared to buying a Sigma lens for like almost double the price, bro, it's a solid investment. Hopefully I'll make that back by you hitting the like button. I'm gonna start doing daily vlogs again, I guess, so I can keep the bag going. I'll keep my channel so next video tomorrow gonna be something with the Integra, whether it's a POV, not POV drive, but maybe a Sunday cruise with baby girl, or I'll take her for pools in the car. I don't know, we'll figure out something, but I'm trying to do daily vlogs. Also, if you live in Florida and want me to review your car, let's make it happen. Email on the screen or DM me on Instagram. Yeah, just DM me on Instagram, bump that. If you want me to review your car, DM me on Instagram. Make sure it's a super cool car, maybe turbo, something, a fun all motor car, I don't know, something where you think it would help the channel grow some views and stuff like that. This is a community project, baby. It takes a village to raise a kid, you feel me? So it takes my village to raise your boy up to higher standards, you feel me? Like I did that. Gaming channel, food channel, all down below. I'm actually gonna end this video here to go film a video with my girl. We're making some chicken wings tonight, so be sure to subscribe to that channel if you want to see extra content with your boy. The gaming channel is live. Got 2 videos up over there. Got 3 videos up on a cooked food channel. So just tap in, show some love. And I appreciate every single one of y'all for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you did enjoy, leave a like on the video. If you didn't dislike the video, do what you gotta do, bro. I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of y'all. Thank you for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace.